Hey everybody, it's Ronnie here, and it has been a while. It has been since March that I have uploaded a YouTube video just because of school and my small business Artsy Creations, but now I'm hoping to be back and better than ever. So as of today, it is my 3-year YouTube anniversary. And so I really just wanted to bring this channel back, restart it. I even had a poll on my Instagram. I will link it down below in the description if you haven't checked me out already. I do post some fun stuff over there. But I had a poll on what kind of video we would want for my comeback. And we voted on a painting tutorial. And so the specific painting tutorial that we decided to do are Starry Nights. So I do this one in the video, but I've done a couple different colors. I've done a purple one, I've done a pink one, I've done a green one. I'll put the picture up in the corner. But yeah, this has honestly been a really fun journey. So I do want to say thank you to everybody who has just kind of been on this train, and especially stuck out during like my crazy, 9-month break. It's been since St. Patrick's Day, so it has been a while. But again, thank you so much. If you do enjoy this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button because that would really help so much, especially since I had that really long break. And consider subscribing because I do plan on posting some more tutorials of painting and crochet, and maybe some painting vlogs soon. So yeah, I hope you all enjoy, and let's get into the video. So as I said, today we will be painting our very own Starry Night. Now obviously this is a much simplified version from the Master Van Gogh, but this will still be quite a fun project. So first you will get your canvas, whether it is a white canvas or a piece of paper or anything. So we will start sketching and first kind of draw out that sort of cypress tree that there is. So we're kind of doing this like almost fire looking thing. I think that's the best way to describe it. And again, you can kind of play with it as you want, make it thicker or thinner. And then now I'm going and dividing my canvas almost into fourths, kind of like how it is. So with this painting, you use a dark color and a light color as your base. So I am doing a pink themed Starry Night. You can do purple, orange, red, blue, anything. And so in the first and third row, I went ahead and did my layer of this dark pink, almost magenta, and now I am doing a light pink in the second and fourth rows. Now that I've done a couple layers of that, I am making these light circles for kind of the halo around the stars and moon, just like in Van Gogh's painting. And now I am taking a variety of shades. You definitely want a lot of variety of light and dark shades of your color. So I have like 5 or 6 different shades of pink that I am going through and just doing these tiny lines of with my liner brush. Now you can go ahead and do different size strokes and length strokes to kind of enhance that fun impressionistic style. Now, for some of you that don't know what Impressionism is, it was an art movement where artists would kind of just mix their paint on canvas and just draw these quick, in quote, impressionistic lines. So you'll see how that's looking up on the top. And I'm doing the same thing within the little halo circles just to add that sort of fun depth. And now I'm repeating it on the pink. With the pink, you don't want to just go straight across. You want to kind of almost give it this fun little curve. So like these fun waves, because Van Gogh painted this night sky on how he saw it and just kind of wanted to give it those cool waves within the stars, just kind of mishmashing. So I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing for the next 2 rows, where you are just doing a mix of thicknesses and lengths of your brush strokes in a plethora of shades and tints and hues of these colors. Now I'm going in with some orange, yellow, and white to create the crescent moon and stars. Now again, you want to do these just strokes of different colors, and you want to do something that's called working wet. Working wet means you are kind of blending, mixing, and layering your colors before they dry, which creates like a variety of colors within it, but also again gives that sort of sense of impressionism. So you'll be doing that with the crescent moon and all your stars. Now that that is done, I will be taking a thicker brush. I have a lot of thin brushes, but you can definitely use a thicker brush. And I'm going in with black at the bottom to create our foreground, where we just have this little hilly area. In Van Gogh's painting, that would be the town, but again, this is a much simplified version. So ours will just be a black silhouette of the cypress tree and the village, or town. I opt for the skinny brush because of the cypress tree, but for the bottom, or again, using what you have, you can definitely use a thicker brush. Now we can't forget the most important part of a finished piece. We have to sign our work. So you can go ahead and sign your work on my canvas. I'm doing it on the bottom, but if it's on a paper, you can go ahead and do it in the bottom left or right hand corner. You can do your initials or make a cool artist signature, and that is it. Your piece is all done. And I bet it looks super cute. If you made it, let me know what colors you did in the comments. Thank you all so much for watching. I really do appreciate it. Comment if you made one and let me know what color scheme you did. Because again, you could do so many different colors, and I do have, TikTok and Instagram and Facebook. If you make it, tag me. I'd love to see your work. And comment other tutorials that you would like to see next. I have like a couple free patterns on my Instagram that I could crochet a tutorial of, or just other little paintings and stuff you may see on my page. Do we want more Dollar Tree DIYs? Let me know, because I'd love to hear y'all's feedback. Happy 3-year YouTube anniversary, and I really do thank you all so much for watching this video. From the bottom of my heart, it does mean a lot. And have a great day and have fun crafting. Bye!